Everyone, good morning. So dito na naman po tayo. Ang gagawin ko pong tutorial ngayon is about sa paano mag-create ng intro using the PocketVideo apps. Simple steps lang po talaga ito. So make sure na naka-install or na-download nyo na sa inyong mobile phone or iPad. Just start a new project. So ayan po yung mga selection, but dito tayo sa YouTube lang. Now dito na po tayo sa, yan po yung YouTube. So once na yung YouTube, type nyo lang yung green translation, then ayan po. So green translation, then pili na lang po kayo which one you like. So, let's see, itong una, to try natin. Tapos, wait, mag-download. Ayan. So, nakita niyo yung pink dito. So, let's see po. Gusto ko yan. So, yan. Then, i-play muna natin. Ayan. So, yan. Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yan. Pero gusto ko yung mabilisan. So, let's see again. Yan. Gusto ko siya. So, lagay na natin. So, click done. Click done here. Yan, so waiting lang po tayo. I'm gonna play it again. See? And then you can choose the speed if it's normal and fast. So let's do. So let's do that. Ipa-fast natin. And then go. And then let's add let's add a text. Let's add a text. Para merong title ba. And then, ganap tayo kung ano maganda dito. Ito yung favorite ko so far. This one here. My new blog. We'll just have a look. Let's see. I-cue natin siya. And then, ang font. We'll do the font. Ayan. And then, kasi pangalan ko, I'm gonna put my name on there. Annadel cases. Ayan. And then, done. Gusto ko siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, let's see. Lagay natin. And let's play. See? Ooh, I like that one. Yes. And then, you know, you can choose what color you like. Let's see if I like that one. So let's do Q. I like that one. Yes, I'll do. And then it's up to you guys if you want ang tawag nito, music background, you can add that. You can edit it. And then so I'm happy with that. So this one is just the very easy steps using that one. And then you can do so guys, mayroon naman some choices dito. So make sure just download these apps, PocketVideo apps. Ano siya, free lang siya. So ayan. So ayan, nalagyan natin ng text sticker, mayroon mga choices dito. And then that's it. Good. We'll try again. I'm gonna add the subscription, like I'm gonna add the subscribe, this one, translation, subscriber, like this, and then you'll see this one. So let's have a look with this. Gusto ko yan. So, ayan, simple lang siya. So, we'll wait na mahina. So, ayan, hindi tayo yan. So, ito yung kukuhanin natin. So, ayan, kukuhanin natin. Let's have a look. So, make sure na, ayan. So, patingin ako. Ipi-play natin. So, ayan. Let's try that one. Alright. So, we'll do that. Okay, sayang po. Alright. So, dapat nakamas siya. Green. And then, go back sa ano. So, ayan siya. So, ito na siya. And then, o, diba? Ang ganda. So, just make sure na so, ayan. Pwede din dyan. So, depende sa iyo mga besh kung saan nyo ilagay. You can do scroll up and down. So, lagay ko siya dyan kasi parang ayan, lagay ko siya. So, ayan, final. Ito yung final. Para maganda tingnan. So, let's do it again. So, na-mask na yan. Yep. And then, Q. Yes. Done. And then, let's play again. So, let's play again. And other cases. Yes. So, that's good. Let's play one more time. And ayan. O, diba? So, very simple. And then, once you finish doing it, you can either add another one. But this time, I'll just leave it like, click finish, and then lalabas yan. So, seems like you haven't added any music to your project. So, I'm not gonna add anything. And then, I just click the no, and then we're waiting, rendering until it's saved. So once it's saved, click the save to camera roll, and then it says your video has been saved to your camera roll, and then okay, back to menu. Let's see if there is on the menu. Let's go to the photos. Let's have a look. Ayan na siya, dito na siya. So let's see. Let's play. Ayan. I love it. Oh, diba? And then after that, let's go to here in the iMovie apps. And then this example, this is my intro. And let's have a look. Oh, so ang ganda ng intro ko, and it's very easy. And yeah, so you just either select another video, then you can start another project. So guys, I hope this video give you an idea how to create your own intro on YouTube. Good luck and enjoy creating an intro, guys. So I hope this video helps you to start creating your intro. Alright ladies, you all have a lovely day. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Bye!